Hola, Soka.
Wow! Why were you dancing and singing?
Because we are in the middle of the summer festival called Soka, which is the biggest festival on the island.
And why do you celebrate that?
Because it's the final of the rowing competition, which starts in the middle of the spring and lasts until the start of the summer.
Mm. And you do this every year?
Yes, every year on June 28th.
Oh, in my country we celebrate the National Day.
Oh, and what country are you from?
I am from Chile.
And what do you do in that celebration?
We eat typical food, sing, and dancing our typical music style, with each cueca. In the whole country, but in some regions, they add other rhythms.
What is cueca?
It is our national dance.
We dance the Foreskur dancer.
And you have your own music?
Yes, our songs are about the history of our people.
Wow! In Chile, our typical music is about people, tradition, history, and anecdotes.
It's the same here.
And what do you eat during this celebration?
We do whale hunting and share the meat with the community. Yum, 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 yum. It's very tasty. Try some.
No thanks. It's weird for me. It is not part of my culture.
Okay.
Come join us.
Oh, I will love it.
Spola rinta, with the way you